Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Keto Baking Cookbook is probably one of the most sought-after resources for anyone embracing the ketogenic lifestyle, offering a treasure trove of delicious and guilt-free recipes that will transform your baking experience, allowing you to indulge in delectable treats without derailing your dietary goals. And this cookbook provides comprehensive guides and tips to help you navigate the nuances of keto baking, ensuring that every creation is a delightful success, satisfying both your sweet tooth and your commitment to a healthy lifestyle. Number 5. Blue Zone's Kitchen Cookbook. Discover the secrets to a long and healthy life with delicious recipes from the Blue Zones. This cookbook makes healthy eating simple and enjoyable. Explore culinary traditions from regions where people live exceptionally long and vibrant lives. It's a journey of flavors and longevity. With 100 simple, yet flavorful recipes, it's easy to incorporate these healthy habits into your daily life. Each recipe is designed for optimal health and deliciousness. It emphasizes plant-based meals, but also includes options for incorporating lean protein and healthy fats. It's all about balance and deliciousness. The recipes are easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. You'll be surprised at how delicious healthy food can be. This cookbook isn't just about recipes, it's about a lifestyle. Learn the principles of the Blue Zone's diet and live a longer, healthier life. What we like. This cookbook focuses on recipes from regions with high life expectancy. If you are looking for healthy and delicious recipes to improve your longevity, this is the one for you. It's perfect for health-conscious individuals aiming for a longer, healthier life. What people say. The recipes hail from the fabled Blue Zones, places like Sardinia, Okinawa, and Nicoya, where people somehow outsmart death while making meals that are surprisingly low on kale but high on flavor. The dishes are hearty, flavorful, and easy to make, very satisfying. The Icarian fennel stew was a hit. My husband got a second bowl and one of my sons quickly scarfed it down. I personally love the falafel recipe. It makes enough food to last me all week, and there are still so many recipes I look forward to trying. Number 4. Keto Bread Cookbook. This cookbook is your guide to baking delicious and healthy keto-friendly bread. It's packed with 100 recipes to satisfy any craving. Start your day with fluffy keto bagels or enjoy delicious keto buns for your favorite burgers. These recipes are easy to follow and taste amazing. Make perfect pizza crusts or savory bread crusts for your favorite dishes. They are low-carb and perfectly complement any meal. Indulge in sweet and savory muffins, all while staying true to your keto lifestyle. These recipes are versatile and adaptable to your preferences. With 100 recipes, it offers a wide variety of keto breads for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's something for everyone in this cookbook. This cookbook is part of a series dedicated to delicious keto recipes. It's the perfect addition to your keto cooking collection. What we like. It offers a wide variety of keto-friendly bread recipes. If you're on a keto diet and miss bread, this cookbook is your solution. It's perfect for those who crave the taste and texture of bread without the carbs. What people say. The variety of recipes are those we all know, just ketofied. The tips, keto baking basics, explanation of alternative ingredients used, etc. is a great beginning to this book for people. I love the nutrition facts broken down per serving after every recipe. It helps you work with your macros for the day. I especially love that every third or so recipe has a photograph, good number of photos in this book. So far, I've baked the bagels, English muffins, and the banana bread. Particularly love the bagels, and make them frequently. They make for great sandwiches too. The English muffins are good too, but thought the banana bread wasn't quite sweet enough. This book does a good job of explaining alternative ingredients. I have made the almond flour mozzarella-based pizza several times, with excellent results. Number 3. Keto Baking Cookbook. Welcome to the world of guilt-free indulgence. This cookbook is your guide to baking delicious keto desserts and breads without sacrificing your dietary goals. Discover a variety of low-carb cookie recipes that will satisfy your sweet cravings. These cookies are surprisingly delicious and easy to make. These delightful fat bombs are packed with healthy fats and will keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. They're perfect for a quick snack or dessert. Say goodbye to bland, tasteless keto bread. This cookbook offers recipes for fluffy, flavorful low-carb breads that will redefine your expectations. Indulge in a slice of keto pie without the guilt. These recipes will help you create delicious and satisfying pies that are perfect for any occasion. This cookbook includes recipes suitable for those with diabetes, offering delicious and healthy alternatives to traditional desserts. Manage your blood sugar while enjoying sweet treats. Enjoy a wide variety of healthy and delicious sweets without compromising your health goals. These recipes are perfect for adults who want to enjoy desserts responsibly. What we like. This cookbook is a comprehensive guide to keto baking and desserts. If you have a sweet tooth and are on a keto diet, this cookbook will satisfy your cravings. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy delicious treats without derailing their keto journey. What people say. There is a pick for every recipe in the book. The recipes are relatively simple and yet healthful. Found this book very helpful with keto diet. A lot of variety and not recipes that require a lot of time to prepare. Simple, easy to follow directions. Recipes that do not call for a lot of exotic ingredients. I love the fact that the macros are included for each recipe. Number 2. Small Batch Keto Cookbook. This cookbook makes delicious keto baking simple. It's all about perfect portions, so you can enjoy your favorite treats without the guilt. Discover how to bake amazing low-carb breads. These recipes are easy to follow and yield delicious results. Indulge in guilt-free cookies. They're surprisingly easy to make and taste just as good as the real thing. Celebrate any occasion with these light and fluffy keto cakes. They're perfect for birthdays or any special event. This cookbook is packed with more keto baking recipes. Explore the possibilities and find your new favorites. It's all about portion control. Enjoy delicious treats without overdoing it on carbs. What we like. It features perfectly portioned low-carb recipes. If you are looking for a way to avoid overeating while enjoying delicious keto baked goods, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for individuals who prefer smaller portions or want to minimize waste. What people say. I've made 5 to 6 already and they're so good. It has some wonderful recipes such as double chocolate donuts, lemon sour cream muffins with lemon glaze, and who can't resist the ham and cheese crescent rolls, yummy. They are to die for. Reading through this baking cookbook will have your mouth water and wanting more, and what is even more fun about these recipes as you scroll through the book is how easy and user-friendly it is. I love how simple they are, especially for those who are just beginning the keto journey. Easy recipes with clear directions. Lots of sweet treats as well as savory options. Pancakes, breads, rolls, biscuits, cookies, all of it in one keto cookbook. Number 1. Keto Baking Cookbook. Welcome to the world of delicious keto baking. This cookbook is your guide to creating healthy, low-carb, and high-fat desserts that will satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your ketogenic journey. Dive into a world of decadent cookies and cakes. These recipes are designed to be both satisfying and guilt-free, perfect for any keto occasion. Discover the delightful versatility of muffins and fat bombs. They're quick, easy, and a great way to incorporate healthy fats into your diet. Who says you can't enjoy bread and pie on keto? These recipes prove that you can have your cake and eat it too, without the carbs. Cool down with refreshing smoothies and creamy ice cream. These recipes are perfect for a hot day or a sweet treat anytime. With 450 recipes, you'll find something for every taste and occasion. Each recipe is carefully crafted to ensure optimal flavor and nutritional value. Get ready to embark on a delicious keto baking adventure. This cookbook will empower you to create amazing desserts that support your healthy lifestyle. What we like. This cookbook provides a massive collection of healthy, low-carb, high-fat recipes. If you need a diverse range of keto-friendly meals and desserts, this is the ultimate resource. It's perfect for those who want to maintain a keto diet with a wide variety of delicious options. What people say. This book is very informative and does a great job of describing all the substitutes and the best way to use them. We have tried 7 recipes and haven't been disappointed yet. They carb loads fit well in my fault macros. This dessert book is perfect. It has a lot of my staple favorites, cookies, cakes, tarts, but also has some that are new to me. I have only tried a couple of recipes, but so far they have not disappointed. The recipes I've tried have all been delicious and so easy. The information at the beginning is also great if you're a beginner at keto. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.